area. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, Knox County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Granville, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Millersburg, Berlin, Walnut Creek, Gambier, Utica, Danville, Kilbuck, Glenmont, Winesburg, Farmerstown, Baltic, Martinsburg, Gann, Bladensburg, Mount Hope and Charm.